Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Blay phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka MLA barang Shajit minus 56 Kambegre constituency ka Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma ka Shimya ka Kular Jingsmai Hakmat Ulampang ka yung darbar tawan ka jila. U Thomas Isangma min hak arpnyo turik unay wing arhajar arpsa. Ka MLA bathamai ka 56 Kambegre klabams mai ha ka jingdon u deputy speaker u Timothy Shira ha ka balayadon lang u president but u Conrad Kisangma ki menteri sarkar ki MLA bat ki wei de la ban kado hangne ba ka Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma kala job ya ki election na Kambegre hadien bakate ka shuki kala thali na maru MLA usaling Isangma ula job MP ha ka election sha ka parliament ka Kambegre baro shikata la mikmat daw MLA Congress menta kala de pelongno ya ka election shiteng samoy kate kaletno sha ka seng NPP ka badan menta ha ka bor sinchar MDA ka Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma kadi ka kurim juk menteri rangba ka jila u Conrad Kisangma menta ka NPP haying darbar thawan Meghalaya kala don ka jingbun pa hadu laifu arngun lada kwa ban sinchar marwe kalala
Okay, now we will start with the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected member from 56 Gambegre constituency, Meghalaya. The Honorable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma. Honorable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Metap Chandi Isangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again. I'm going to give you the
30th also. So one thing, the FRU in shall be on our way to that.
because we should get this launch of the traffic.
Or like that. So we'll do that another day then. Because it's scheduled for. We used to do it, but it's just that we never paid attention that day.
For lunch for this occasion.
Thank you. So the program is concluded. Thank you.
A moment of great joy and happiness for me to have the fourth lady legislator in our assembly. It is it's a proud moment for the people of Meghalaya and even for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also. So it was a great pleasure administering oath of affirmation, the oath of office to the newly elected lady member of the assembly.
Sir,
This is a democratic. We are in a democratic setup. Everybody has a right to give it. I have given my, in my own opinion, I have given my decision. That decision still stands, but everybody is welcome to appeal that decision. So, it is in a democracy, everything goes.
if Congress
Yes, every time the appeal is done, we study the contents of the appeal. We refer it to our legal experts. We take legal advice. Accordingly, we again give our report. That's how we can. Down, so we are very careful. Frankly speaking, so we are taking it slowly, and there's a change of design, everything. So we are making sure that the construction goes, nothing goes wrong in the construction. So we are reviewing it. In fact, very soon, in the 4th of next month, we are going to have high power committee at the site itself. So we will review again, and as I myself in my office, I am almost on a weekly basis, I'm monitoring the progress of work.